Hello and welcome to Quilt Addicts Anonymous. I'm Stephanie Soebbing. So we've been trying to support you guys here in your mask making efforts because we feel like it's a very noble cause to help provide them for your community and your family members, and especially those who are on the front lines of the fight against COVID-19. And we showed you in one of our mask making videos using a bias binding tool to help make the ties go a little bit faster. And since then, we got totally wiped out. Our distributor is not able to get more until June. And so we showed you a bias binding hack, which is not quite as slick, but also really, helpful. And since then, we've heard from someone who makes a bias binding tool alternative. And these are made right here in the US, and we're able to get a whole lot more. And so we are not going to be running out of these, and they come in cute little colors. And this is even better than the regular bias binding tool because it eliminates a step. You're able to press it and fold it over and have it totally ready to be a tie to go around your mask all in one step. So I'm going to show you how this works in this video here. All right, so this is from Purple Hobbies LLC makes these. It's a 2-inch bias binding tool. It's a double fold binding. And you can see it's printed here, 3D printed here in the US. And it has these little grooves that the fabric is going to go into. So you're going to put it in on this side and you're going to feed it through much like a regular bias binding tool. And then on this side, it's got a little lip on the inside of this. I think you can probably see that there. And so basically, as you're pulling it out, you've got to fold over that first part, and then you're able to kind of turn it on its side and do both steps in one, and it just makes it go a lot faster. And then obviously it comes in some fun colors. We've got 5 here today. We can add on to that if we choose to, so if you guys really like it. And these are going to be reorderable, so we're going to be able to get a lot of them and really support you guys in your mask making efforts and be able to help you guys get them out even faster, because while we are able to occasionally get elastic, it goes really fast because the need is just so great. So this is a great thing to have on hand, so when you do not have elastic, you can still keep making masks and quickly. So here's how this works. It's pretty slick. All right, so I've got my 2-inch by width of fabric strip. Width of fabric, for those of you at home that don't know, is usually 40 to 44 inches for quilting cotton, which is great for making masks. A study has shown that it blocks out 70 to 79% of particles, which is a great level of protection for just 2 layers of quilting cotton. All right, so this is just a straight of grain strip. You can use that in here as well, or you can use it on the bias. If you're doing a curved mask, you're going to want to use bias, but if you're just doing the straight surgical style, straight of grain is perfectly fine to use. All right, so what you're going to do here is you're going to slide this in and kind of get it to curve in along those lines there, so you can kind of see it from the top. I'm kind of sliding it in there. Once you kind of get it started, it's helpful to take a pin and just slide that through the rest of the way. There we go. All right, so it's starting to come out here. I've got my first little bit and it is folded over, and you kind of want to make some adjustments back here to make sure that it is evenly folding in. You want to make sure that you've got about equal amounts coming up and folding in a little bit on itself, and that will keep everything nice and even as you're feeding this through. So now what I'm going to do is I'm also going to kind of line things up at here, get that front part the way I want it, and then I'm going to fold it over on itself. So this is a regular bias binding tool. What you're going to do is it's going to come out and you are just going to press it and give it a tug and keep going. Now this one, like I told you, it eliminates that step. So here's the really cool part. You can fold this over just like this. And so you can do 2 steps at once, which is really kind of neat. So we've got that part started there. And what I found is the easiest way to do this and have it stay nice and even is I'm going to go ahead and keep my iron tip down here, and then with this part facing up, so I can keep an eye and make sure that this is feeding through evenly, I'm going to give it a little bit of a pull, a couple inches or so, and then fold it over, and then go ahead and give that a press. And you just want to make sure it kind of sometimes gets a little pleat on the bottom there, but it kind of evens itself out as it comes out a little bit. So you just have to make sure that you're not going straight up to the edge there. You want to stay a couple inches away. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and put my iron down here. And again, just give this a pull a couple inches, and I'm keeping it upright so I can keep an eye and make sure everything's feeding through evenly. And then I'm going to flip it to the side and press that guy over. So I am able to do this a lot faster because we're eliminating that extra step. We're able to just do all the steps and get that double fold binding all in one, which is really, really nice. So here you have it. We've got everything. It is folded over and folded in on itself, and it is ready to go over those masks to serve as ties. And it got all done in one step thanks to this really cool tool from Purple Hobbies LLC. And it is a double fold binding tool. This is a 2-inch, so that way we end up with 1/2 inch binding when we are all done. Again, super slick because it eliminates that step and you can make more masks even faster. These are made in the US, so we're able to get more of them, and it is basically an unlimited supply. So it's not going to be like we're out and going to stay out until June like we were with the regular ones that we had. So this is a great alternative. I think it's an even better alternative than the regular bias binding because we're able to fold that over all in one step and have that ready to go on your mask. So check it out. We've got links to where you can purchase this in the video description down below, and you can get that and make some more masks. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy quilting and happy mask making.